This is the Sony Mavica MVC-FD91. It came out in January 2001. It's a floppy disk camera that takes 0.8 megapixel photos, so that's 1024 by 768. It has some really horrible looking video at 240p, but just for fun, I set it to half resolution mode so we can get double the film time. I'll be showing you some videos and photos from this camera, and I bought this camera because it's inconvenient. It produces horrible photos, and it's just the fact that it's more fun and engaging than my smartphone. I think it's more fun to carry a clunky camera with, 15 floppy disks than it is to shoot on my cell phone. So here are some photos and videos that I got today from it.
Oh my god!
See?
That's so aggressive. This is our family road trip.
It's our family road trip on floppy disk.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
We're going
I look good on this camera.
We're going to Detroit Rock City.
Out of footage. No. We got what, 2 more seconds?
No, I think we have a little longer.
Really? Wow.
Uh-huh.
Well, let me gear up the next tape.
That's a piece of shit. I'm waiting for it to run out.
Oh wait, film that. That truck's about to hit us.
How do you know when you're like, what if you record over another one?
You can't. Well, you can't. It won't let you. This angle sucks. Wait, I forgot. So awkward.
It actually looks cool. I don't know. I fuck with it. It's a very old school aesthetic.
See, we recorded a whole minute.